Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your current phone number to a new phone number, thereby migrating your account information on the WhatsApp business application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings icon down below, which is the last option. And after that, click on account. Tap on change number. And as you can see, you can transfer your account information, group settings from your current phone to a new one. Tap on the next button at the top. You should type in your old phone number to your new one. Tap on next. As you can see, you are about to change your current phone number to another one. Your groups will be automatically notified. You can also notify your contacts about your new number by tapping on this notify contacts button. Select from these three options, and after that tap on the button done in the upper right corner of the screen in order to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.